to tremble to see the place she's lately gotten to. She's gotten to mysterious devotions. She's gotten to the zodiac and Zen. She's gotten into tarot cards and potions. She's laying her religion on her friends, on her friends, on her friends. Friends who come to ask her for the future.